These are the ESP32s that I bought. I unpacked this one. Those are still in the bags. And this is the expansion board. This is the cable that I am using. And first I'm going to show you that it is actually a data cable, not only power, by hooking up my phone. De standen overdragen. And now you can see these are the files and the pictures on my phone. So it is actually data cable, not only power cable. I am closing this up. Now I will attach the ESP. The power LED does light up. In USB, in the device manager, it does show other devices USB serial, but no COM port. And in Arduino IDE, under tools, also no COM port available. Now, to prove that my COM ports do work, I have an older ESP32 with the micro USB connector. I am connecting it. Nee, dat is... Oh, nee. Ja. And like this. And immediately you see in Device Manager, here is a COM port 3 connected to the Silicon Labs, and also in Arduino IDE, immediately it finds COM port 3. So the COM ports do work, but one more time, the new ESP that I bought at your store with the C connector, it does show up in Device Manager, but no COM ports. Also in Arduino IDE, no COM ports available. I have also tried connecting it to the expansion board, as well with the C connector as with the micro connector, those two. I both tried them, but they don't even show up in the Device Manager. So I'm not sure what is wrong here, and I really hope that you can help me explain what to do. Thank you.